Alright, this is question 15 and 16 on the Unit 4 review. John earned $6.55 per hour plus additional $200 in tips waiting tables on Saturday evenings. He earned $320 in all. To the nearest hour, what is the least number of hours Stan would have to work to earn this much money? Alright, so we got to set this up in an equation. So he gets paid $6.55 for every hour. Let's put H for hour. Plus he gets a $200 tip. Alright, then it says he earned $320. To the nearest hour, what is the least number of hours? So we're going to put least number of hours that he would have to work to earn this much money. Alright, and remember we can say this is equal to because he could make the exact amount of money. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve this, and it's just, so we're going to subtract 200 from both sides. When I do this, I get $6.55 is less than or equal to 120. Then I'm going to divide both sides by 655. So there's no negative involved here, so we're not going to flip the inequality. So H is going to be less than or equal to 18.32, which means 18 and a half hours. So that means he would have to work at least 19 hours just so he can make enough money to get to 320. Alright, let's do number 16. Brenda has a $600 in her savings account. She withdraws $50 for expenses a week. So she takes $50 out for every week she does without making any other deposits. How many weeks can she withdraw this money if she continues to maintain at least $100? That means $100 is going to be the most we have, but you could have $100. Alright, so I'm going to subtract $600 from both sides. And when I do this, I have negative 50W, remember W represents the weeks, minus 500. Now we're going to divide both sides by negative 50. And you should see that because, remember this is a negative, we flip our inequality. So W will be greater or equal to 10 hours, or 10 weeks.